Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day. I look terrible today, but today we're doing another hair color transformation video. Today I just wanted to take the day and not worry about putting my face on too much until like way later. So today I've decided we can go ahead and change my hair color. My roots are looking so bad right now and I'm very ashamed of how bad they've gotten. So today I need to bleach my roots and we're going to do a new color. So I wanted to go back to purple, like bleach my roots, do more purple again, but I ran out of Purple Rain. And since I have Ritual, we were in Hot Topic with my boyfriend Adam and he saw Ritual. I was picking out Purple Rain. He saw Ritual. He's like, this is really pretty. I'm like, I have that at home. Let's do it. So today that's what we're going to do. We're going to try Ritual from Arctic Fox on my hair. So let's go ahead and bleach these roots first before we get started. So to bleach my roots, unfortunately, I am using a L'Oreal Feria because I went to every Target to find the Knight and Wilson bleach and I could not find it. And I don't know where Sally's is near my house. So I'm going to use this crap. You can leave this on for up to an hour. I mean, it advertises results like this. It's really damaging. I'm going to do a lot of treatments afterwards to make up for this. But it's just what I had. So I do have to bleach my roots. My roots are fairly light, but they need to be bleached so the hair color will stick since it is a semi-permanent hair color. Thankfully though, I am naturally pretty blonde, so I don't have to leave it on for too long. And I'm just going to run it through the ends of my hair after I do my roots, just to like lighten this up a little bit so we can put something on top of it. But honestly, if some of this purple stays, it's fine. Arctic Fox is really good, so let's do that. I actually have a lime crime color and Arctic Fox on my hair right now. Because I ran out of Purple Rain and I didn't know where to find it, so I went to Ulta and got a lime crime chocolate cherry, which is what a lot of this is. So I don't know how that bleaches out. I know Arctic Fox comes right out. Like you add bleach the second it's like psh, gone. I just don't know how lime crime comes out, so hopefully it doesn't turn anything freaking weird by me doing this. I'm pretty concerned. This bottle is like fiery hot. I don't know what's going on, but this is like, it's so warm. The bottle's so hot. I don't know what's going on. Alright, so I put in the bleach. I just kind of ran it through the ends. Apparently I had some blue in my hair at some point because it's turning blue-green over here. I don't remember the last time I put blue-green in my hair because I tried to not do so. But it's in this one spot on my head for some reason and the rest of it isn't. Okay, there's some over here too. But regardless, I'm going to leave this in for about 15 minutes just to lighten up the roots. I don't care about the rest of the hair and I don't want it too damaged. It says leave it up to 60, 40 to 60. Not doing that. So it's been about 10 minutes since I started applying it. I'm going to leave it on for another 20 and I'll be done. Okay, so I lied. I only waited about 7 or 8 minutes. My roots are already really blonde, so I'm not going to leave it any longer. I'm going to go ahead and wash it out. Okay guys, so I am ready. I look like messed up Fruity Pebbles and it's fine because, well, I just wanted the roots blonde and they're blonde. Sorry, I had to swatch. So, okay, so I used Ritual by Arctic Fox, which is a dark burgundy, and a little splash of Transylvania, just a little tiny bit, just because I want this to last the entire month of September. Because I don't want to dye my hair again in September. I want to have orange hair for October. And I'm going to tone out, by using reds today, I'm going to tone out any like leftover blues and greens that were in my hair. So next time I go to orange for my next hair color, there shouldn't be any like residual blue or green in here. So you can see I swatched it on my head because this looks really dark. Really, really dark. But on my hand it looks burgundy. And in my hair it looks burgundy. So I'm just hoping this turns out well. And I'm just going to apply it to the roots first. And then I'm just going to smush it throughout the rest of my hair. I am not a hair professional. Obviously, this is just for fun, and I don't really care if it turns out too bad because I can fix it or live with it. Like, of course I want it to look good, don't get me wrong. I want to have good looking hair. But at the same time, I have to try everything. And it's way cheaper if I try it on myself than if I pay someone to do it and I hate it anyways. So it's in my hair. I think I made too much, and I'm putting it in my brows for a second just to make them a little bit more red. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and it looks really good so far. Alright, it's been about 35 minutes. I'm gonna rinse it out because it's looking real dark. Alright guys, so this is the finished hair color. It looks black. With all the fancy camera lighting in the world, it's still, I mean, you can tell it's purple, right? It's purple. But with like not freaking fantastic lighting on it, my hair looks black. Like when I do this, you can tell it's purple. When I get up close, you can tell it's purple. When it hits like sunlight, it looks purple. It's just not this color. My hair was already purple-ish, but like the roots are still not red. I don't know what happened here. And a lot of you guys are gonna be like, it's so dark because you added Transylvania. I only added like a drop. Really not much at all compared to like the ton of product from Ritual that I used. So yeah, this is the finished hair color. For me, when I first saw this, my hair was wet and I got out of the shower, I wanted to cry and scream and shave my head and have a panic attack. And I may have shed a tear or two, if we're being honest. But I think I was even scoping out like places that might carry my hair color, like the hair bleach, because obviously my Target doesn't have it. But I might just have to leave it for a while. I might just have to keep washing it, letting it fade, because I want to go orange next, but it's just so dark. And I don't know if I want to bleach it, because I'm going to have to bleach it to get like the orange. So I'm going to leave it for now. I'm just not used to seeing myself with such dark hair. Like, it's really weird. I feel like I have normal hair. It makes me want to cry because it's just so boring looking. Like, honestly, I think my face looks, like with the dark brows and everything, looks fine with this hair color. Like, it's not that bad. I shouldn't be so dramatic about it. I just like fun stuff, and I feel like this isn't fun enough for me. But hopefully it'll fade nicely. It is very cool for being a purple. It's very cool even on the ends where the blue was. So hopefully I can kind of like mute whatever blue was in there and I can go orange next, because that's what I'm really hoping for. That was the game plan, but it turned out way darker than I thought. Anyways, thank you guys so much. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more hair color videos from me, please subscribe down below. I appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.